The WWE invades Gotham. Welcome to Friday Night SmackDown. And King, 5 days ago,
How awesome was last night? In truth, congratulations on winning the Money in the Bank. I couldn't think of anybody more deserving. What's your secret?
Thanks, Miz. What I did was study footage from when you and Edge wanted the Money in the Bank. I figured, why not learn from the best?
Now that's the truth. And after you cash in that briefcase on the World Heavyweight...
What are you waiting for? Stop him!
here comes the game, and nothing's going to get in his way. Here comes the game, and nothing's going to get in his way.
No more games. Give me a match at SummerSlam, or I'll just end your career right here.
What are you gonna do, huh? Hit a guy in a wheelchair?
That's exactly what I'm gonna do.
Oof! You can't do that! I'm still the general manager of SmackDown, and...
And nothing. You know as well as I do, you were told if you interfere in another pay-per-view, you'd no longer be general manager.
But...
Oh, Miz, don't worry. Since you're up and about again, I did you a solid. I got your old job back. I can see you're in shock over the good news, but it doesn't stop there, oh no. Your friend Triple H also got you into the main event with me, Edge, and Randy Orton at SummerSlam.